Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Step into this stunning two-story residence that is nestled in a small community on a highly sought-after cul-de-sac, merging modern design seamlessly with functionality. This contemporary home offers the quintessential family living experience. As you enter, you are greeted by a spacious open floor plan that effortlessly blends living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating an inviting atmosphere for perfect living and entertainment. The main floor is especially accommodating as it provides space for remote work, in addition to two bedrooms and two bathrooms, providing versatility for guests, staff, and the less mobile members of the family. Ascend the floating staircase to discover three bedrooms en suite and a balcony spanning almost the entire width of the home. This level provides additional privacy, serving as a retreat after a busy day. Catering to your convenience, the low maintenance yard, complimentary dishwasher in the kitchen, and two-car garage ensures effortless living. Come experience the epitome of contemporary lifestyle. Schedule your viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this home and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US $2,900 or Jamaican $446,300. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.